Sun in Aries in the 11th house. Natal chart, astrology. Have you ever met someone who naturally takes the lead within a group? Someone who inspires others and isn't afraid to bring people together around a shared vision? This is one of the themes of Sun in Aries in the 11th house. In this video, we'll explore what happens when the Sun, the planet of identity and purpose, combines with Aries, the sign of courage and initiative, in the 11th house, the area of friendships, communities, social networks, hopes, dreams, and the future. Let's break it down. The planet. The Sun. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity, vitality, confidence, and life purpose. It symbolizes the qualities you're developing throughout your lifetime and answers the question, who am I becoming? The sign. Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and is ruled by Mars. It represents courage, confidence, leadership, independence, initiative, and action. Aries enjoys taking the first step and creating opportunities instead of waiting for them. At its highest expression, Aries is bold, determined, and inspiring. At its lower expression, Aries can become impatient, impulsive, or overly competitive. The house, the 11th house. The 11th house is the house of friendships, community, and future goals. It represents friendships, social groups, communities, networking, teamwork, hopes and dreams, humanitarian causes, long-term aspirations. This house describes the people you surround yourself with, the communities you belong to, and the future you're working toward. Putting it all together, when the Sun is in Aries, in the 11th house, your identity is closely connected to friendships, community, and pursuing meaningful goals with others. You often feel most fulfilled when you're leading a group, inspiring others, or bringing people together around a common purpose. Rather than blending into the background, you're naturally motivated to contribute ideas, start projects, and encourage action. Whether you're organizing events, building an online community, leading a team, or supporting a cause, you want to make a positive impact. People often see you as energetic, confident, and willing to step forward when leadership is needed. Your core power. Your greatest strength is your ability to inspire action within a community. You naturally motivate others, build strong networks, and create momentum around shared goals. Your courage encourages people to believe that positive change is possible. Your core challenge. One lesson for this placement is learning that lasting success comes through cooperation. Because Aries likes quick action, you may become frustrated when groups move slowly or people don't share your enthusiasm. Learning to balance independence with teamwork and listening as much as leading helps your relationships and goals thrive. Your evolution. As this placement matures, you realize that true leadership isn't about always being first. It's about helping others discover their own strengths. The evolved Sun in Aries, in the 11th house, empowers communities rather than simply leading them. Instead of asking, "What can I accomplish alone?" you begin asking, "What can we create together?" Reflection. Questions. If you have Sun in Aries in the 11th house, ask yourself, how can I use my leadership to strengthen my community? Am I surrounding myself with people who inspire growth? How can I balance independence with collaboration? Your friendships and future goals are powerful ways to express your purpose and contribute to something greater than yourself. Remember, no single placement tells your entire story. Your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and the rest of your birth chart all add important layers to how this energy is expressed. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, every sign, and every house combination, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have Sun in Aries in the 11th house, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this placement has influenced your friendships, community involvement, or long-term dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.